trading is just, I think trading is psychology and statistics combined. You just have to know how to marry the both of them together. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's get started. Good morning, guys, and then welcome to another wonderful episode of Monthly Technicals. Hope we're all doing well today. As we all know, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities we can grab from the market, and then you guys get to see more of my strategy, my entries and exits, and more. Yeah. So let's get started. Today on fundamentals, we have card news by 1:30, high impact news on card. The rest are mid impact news, and then by 2 p.m. NZD. That's weird. How is he not sleeping? 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is supposed to be, it's supposed to be this thing now. Night in New Zealand. Or anyhow, let's jump on our charts and see what we can get. Yeah. So today. Okay, so let's see. So this is basically our chart. Yeah, we had that break of structure. This was the sell we got the other day, and then we had that small structure here, and then it breaks to the downside. So basically, I was expecting what that sell from around these levels to the downside. We had that sell, and then this was that buy around here to the upside. So, well, as price was actually going up here, yeah, since it was basically a small movement, there was this whole small sell I saw yesterday on the 15 minutes. You go to the 15 minutes, let me tap the 15 minutes. And see this place here. No, look at the candlestick here. I entered and then almost immediately took me out. So it was a very sad thing to see, but it was just what it is. Yeah. So now we have that whole break of structure, even this whole structure to the upside. So one way we can look at this here is basically to drop our Fibonacci. Yeah. From here to here and see where is our golden ratio lying around these levels. Do you understand? Around these levels. So now, what can we expect or what should we look out for? First of all, when I came this morning to my chart here, I saw price rejecting from these levels. I saw it trying to create that whole bullish pin bar, but then it did not create it. So I was like, thank God, because price has not actually started tapping into these deeper levels yet. So I was like, okay, let's see how it goes. At the same time, I was watching out to see if we create like a shift in market structure, but this is not really a proper shift. This is just like price just still trying to come down. So I don't want to hold that as a perfect shift. I don't see that whole shift formation. So hopefully it will give us a shift formation if it wants to sell so that we can just jump on it. At the same time, what can we get? Yeah. It's just to hold these highs. This one here, and this lows here, basically. So at any moment, if price breaks either of them, we know that okay, either we have continued the uptrend or we've what broken structure to the downside. Now, at the same time, once price gets into these levels, I'll be looking to see if I can see an entry criteria to take it back to the upside. That's how I'm looking at it. Yeah. Same thing with NZD USD. Same thing with NZD USD. So basically, this was what we had with NZD USD yesterday. Yeah. I actually drew trend line. You guys know me, I don't draw trend lines. Yeah. But then I think one of my students yesterday was like, me, I should draw the trend line from here to here and see whether it will actually align. And then we actually saw that the thing was aligning a bit. So price actually rejected at that trend line. That was where I saw an entry. Look at it here. Look at this entry criteria. Yeah. And then price basically drops. And then we consolidated there for a while. And then it went and took me back for my stop loss. It was sad, but at the same time, it was all right. It's just one of those days. Yeah. So, and then it's not just my student that made me draw that trend line. You guys know that I'm working with Habi right now, and then Habi uses a lot of trend lines. So small.
Happy Forest.
Yes.
Oh
So,
wow, that guy's
so I don't know. It's starting to like rub off small. I'm starting to believe it's small because I was someone that did not trust trend lines. But anyhow, let's see how it goes. So we remove this stuff. Yeah. So I thought I told you guys, yeah, I'm working with Habi right now. Anytime you're in Abuja, you can come to the Abuja trading floor. Yeah, I started like staying in the live office now, so it's actually fun.
Okay, you are in Abuja trading
Yes,
floor.
yes.
Oh, okay.
Anyways,
Nice.
so we had this push up. This was where we got the sell the other day. Yeah, push down. We kind of consolidated for a while here, but then I did not want to even hold this level as an area of importance. And then we basically broke. We can say we broke structure yesterday because we actually broke this one. So in a way, let's drop our feet and see. This whole price movement here is a bit tricky, but it's the market. So let's drop our feet and see. So our 0.618 is around here. So what we can do is basically just wait for price to get into these levels. If we see entry criteria, then we'll look to take those buys to the upside. At the same time, be careful of shifts. If you see any sign of shift in market structure, just align with it. Yeah. So that's basically how we're looking at NZD-USD. How about Euro USD, my friend?
I'm sorry, please, I have a question.
Yeah,
before
what's
you
your
guys
question?
move on.
Yeah.
For AUD USD, earlier, one of the student here said
Yeah.
the buy was pretty obvious. Like,
Yes.
what exactly did you see that made you feel the
Okay.
buy was?
Okay, let me show you. Let me show you the buys on AUD-USD and NZD-USD. You guys will bear with me. I've not subscribed my trading view. Yeah, I've been every time I have money, I used to forget. Then when I don't have money, I'll come and remember that, oh, I've not subscribed trading view. Anyways, let's jump on that 15 minutes. So basically, yeah, you can see this price action. This were the levels we were looking to take sales from yesterday. This point here, around this level, sorry. Around these levels. We were looking to take sales around these levels yesterday. But then price will give us an entry criteria. This was that new. So price just impulsed to the upside. And then it just started selling back down. Do you understand? Now, price came into these levels. Look at the entry criteria here. And look at where it was reacting from. Something that looks like a neckline. If you go to the 1H, you see clearly. Look at the price action down here. So basically, you had what? You had a push down, a push up, and then a push down again, more like a double bottom, and then that push up. So see where it created that stuff here. Do you get? So it was exactly at the neckline. And I did not honestly see plenty things were happening that time. I was talking to Habi's secretary. Yeah, we were talking here, we were just so I was still playing game at the same time on my phone because I was trying to distract myself off this sell. And then there was another sell on gold that I showed her the sell, and then I was like, let me take, I set the sell order, then I removed it again. Get so inside that hole, there was plenty noise around, so I did not see it. It was after this candlestick formed, and then this other one started forming. I saw it, and then I was like, nah, the trade has gone already. Let me let it be. You understand? I think once price opened here, price is not even waste time. Price just continued going to the upside. So if there's something that I saw it earlier, I would have taken the trade, but I not prepared for it. So I was like, let me just leave it. And already I was sell biased, so I didn't want to even take any buy or anything. So that was it. Do you understand? And it's the same thing on NZD-USD. Look at it on NZD-USD here. You can see the entry criteria, price reacting from these levels here. Do you understand? I think.
Yeah, I get what you're saying, but it should have not been a good trade for me. Or at least it have not been an obvious trade for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's just those tiny details. It was after the trade, that candlestick, once that candlestick formed, I saw it as closed. But then I was like, nah, I was not prepared for the trade, honestly. I wasn't.
Oh, because on gold yesterday, for gold, because there's a way.
Let me show you gold. Even gold too formed the same thing.
Yes, double bottom. Plus,
Yes.
there's a way I trade these days. Is like once it's around 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, the daily low or London low used to form.
Yeah.
So once the London low formed, I was like, oh, I didn't see it. It was later on the night I was not checking. I was like London low formed around 10. Why didn't I take the trade?
Gold's own was not that clear. Look at gold. Gold just did this multi.
Sorry, sir. Go to 4 hours or 1 hour.
Okay. See the 1 hour here.
All right. Say
I'm
it now.
coming. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
This candlestick.
Took down. No, when
Okay,
took out
it
the
came.
low,
Okay, yeah.
rejecting.
Okay. Yeah, I see this rejection candlestick here, but this rejection candle is just a doji. it's not really it's not really a thing. But let me show you guys AED. You know, we analyzed AED JPY yesterday. Yeah. So I had that said, okay, we did not analyze it. It was my coworker, the guy tutoring here, he's trade smart money. So he was like, he has a whole setup on it, you get. So he was like, let's do this thing. Let me check it out. And then I saw a sell setup on AED, this thing, JPY. But then the same thing, we not have it, and then see the candlestick when it formed. So it was almost the same thing. So it was just AED JPY, NZD USD, and AED USD. Anyways, let's look at Euro USD. I don't want to cry over those buys. So Euro USD, what do we have on this baby boy today? I don't know. Is Euro USD a cow? I think since it's a king now, okay, no, it's pound that is for Britain. I don't know. Anything it identifies that as. Anyways, so we had a break. We basically had price come, yeah, took out these lows, yeah. For days, price was just consolidating inside this level. We took them out and then what went up to the upside. So we broke this low too. I mean, this whole lower high too, and then what went to the upside. So now we're basically what we're tracing. Now, our fib levels. 0.6 is around here. 0.618 is around here. I don't know. I won't actually trust this. Let's see if we see price do any entry criteria inside these levels, then we'll be taking those buys, honestly. And then our stop loss below the candlestick. So let's just see how it goes. Yeah. Then GBP USD.
Sorry, please. Where did you pull your Fibonacci from? Which of the lows did you pull your Fibonacci from? Sorry.
This one.
You pick it from the low to the high, right?
Yes. It was this low that actually facilitated the move to break structure. You understand?
Yeah.
So what's the next pair? GBP USD. Because I've not subscribed my Disney, I cannot add it back to my green list. So every day I have to just search it. GBP USD. I think I'm still leaving GBP USD alone. Look at what we analyzed. We're like, okay, if price break, it will retest and continue to the downside. Price break, it came back inside the range again. Reacted at the distance resistance, and it's still coming back down again. I'm leaving this thing alone. I think I even trust gold more than GBP USD.
You said Omo is leaving it.
Yes, now I'm leaving it alone, guy. Like
I told you, sis, this GBP it has spiritual problems.
Like I don't know if you want to range. If you want to exit. Like, anyways, I think
they're trying to increase their what they call it, Bank of England. They're trying to
increase their interest
do a
rates.
lot of things on
Yes.
GBP. Interest rates.
Yes, because they don't want that whole historical stuff that GBP has never been below the dollar. I mean, for how many years it has never been below the dollar. They don't want it to happen. So everybody's just this thing, Clash of the Titans. Anyhow, I think that's all for my pairs. And then we looked at I would not analyze gold. Let's just leave it alone, I beg. Anyways, is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Or any questions you guys have?
I think we're good.
No problem. Esther, have you started trading your live account yet?
Yes, I have started.
Nice one.
My live account that I did $100 is on 79 now. I don't even just know how.
How? I have been joining one to technicals now.
No, really, I've been away.
Okay, no worries now. I think her own is MFF. Yeah, see, let me tell you guys something. Yeah, it's the same thing Habis to tell guys here every day. Like, just get MFF. Like, get MFF if you know that. Because see, MFF will take you like maybe roughly 3 months. Esther, I finished the one within 2 months now. You get MFF, but standard is supposed to be like 3 months. Yeah. So now within these 3 months, if you say you want to be trading live because you can't wait, honestly, you'll blow more than $500 for opening live account. You open and close, open and close, open, or you blow it. Do you understand? So it's better to just take maybe 50 something dollars, go and get that 5K MFF, trade it, pass it, and in a month, I think 5% of that account is $250. Yeah, if you can withdraw that from a 5K account, you do your profit split with them, you maybe get like $200 from it, yeah, in a month or in a withdrawal period. That's okay now. And some people can even make more than that 5%, can make 10%, 20%. Do you understand? So just get the MFF, trade it. It's not like you're not risking your money. It's like you're paying small money to get. The only thing you're risking is $50 on top of how much? 5K. And you're maybe withdrawing $200, $300. So it's a very nice investment. Hope you guys are hearing me. So you guys should get MFF. If you're having hard times passing it, just be attending 130 technicals. And even Esther, I think this thing helped out. Like how this is it, find yourself. Yeah, find herself. Do you get? At some point she stopped. Yeah, at some point she stopped attending 130 technicals. I messaged her and she was like, it's because of MFF and all. And I understood, because at that point she needed to become her own self. Do you understand? Discover her own trading style and all that stuff. So it will help you get that. You learn a lot when you trade MFF. So guys, try get your MFF accounts. Yeah, if you're having problems solving it, let me know. I'll guide you. I've done this in a long time. For a long time, I've done more than 10 MFFs now. Do you understand? I know a lot of things inside it. If you have any problems, let me know. And then what? I'll give you advice. Maybe I'll not carry your hand to pass it, but I'll give you advice on how to pass it. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Man, no worries. Anyways, I think that's been said. We've come to the end of this session. Please, as usual, keep an open mind with the market here. The only thing that is sure is that anything can happen. So always keep an open mind to the markets, flow with the trend, and don't be rigid with your bias. Yeah. Catch you guys same time tomorrow. Have a wonderful trading day, guys. These are my people.